What's up guys and welcome back. Here's a quick video on how to reset your tire pressure monitor system on your truck using this Relearn tool. This product information will be provided below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content and write your comments and questions in the section below. First things first, turn on the truck. Go to the tire pressure menu. Hold down the select button for a few seconds to activate the Relearn option. Then the horn will go off twice to indicate ready. Now the turn signals will indicate which sensor to learn first and then the next. The Relearn tool will pick up some sensors faster than the others. Once complete, the horn will sound twice and then you're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.